Dion Seminara Architecture completed renovations on this Greenslopes, Queenslander back in 2004. Our clients Margaret and Andrew engaged our firm for our Platinum Concept to Keys design package, as well as a number of additional services. Margaret and Andrew have lived and raised their family in this home, creating many beautiful, lasting memories. With the client's children grown up and having moved out, this has left the house mostly empty, inspiring Andrew and Margaret to finally sell and move after living in the home for a total of 27 years.
Well, I think our lifestyle has really changed for the better with the renovation, because now the layout of the house was such that we could have more family time. For me, working in the kitchen was something that I would do all the time, and making it an open plan kitchen really suited our needs well. Well, what we didn't like about the house made up a really lengthy list, but we did like the location of the house, and we did like the fact that it was a Queenslander. So our main brief to Dion was to make the house more livable, keeping in with our lifestyle, but bearing in mind that we had now a young family as well, so we needed more space. And we really needed to keep those renovations in character with the house as well. So we wanted to make sure that it was form and function. He created zones for us where we could chill out or watch over the kids or entertain.
Yeah, proper bathroom, not straight off the kitchen where it was. A proper laundry and office space.
Before working with Dion, we had absolutely no experience with working with an architect at all.
He did a little sketch up of the plan of what we could do.
And we were very impressed with him right from the start. Yeah. Previously, our experience was with only a builder who had done some renovations on our, or put in an ensuite for us. Our builders' ideas, although came in under budget, were just totally no sense at all. Really, the function wasn't really there at all.
The function was going to be much better.
Dion had, so much better idea of where to place things.
The staging of our project was managed by Dion.
It gave us time to look at purchasing or choosing cabinetry, etc., like that, and it all flowed in a really nice, smooth sequence. We probably tend to know what we don't like, but have no idea of what we do like. And Dion would suggest even down to colour schemes and cabinetry. And
he was very helpful.
Really helpful. Once we saw it, we sort of thought, oh yes, we like that. And he was really good at listening when we said, we wanted something that would be timeless, but not too on trend, but not too old either. And he was really good at picking up on those things. We just find Dion very professional to work with, and a wealth of experience, and very happy with our project for sure.